Route 5A, Packard, from the Ypsilanti Transit Center to Eisenhower and Stone School. From the stand, you want to proceed on Pearl and make a right at North Adams. This is the 5A inbound from the Ypsilanti Transit Center, the YTC, to Stone School. Stop approaching in Eisenhower. Continue through the stop sign. At the stop sign at cross, you want to make a left turn. Stop approaching. Here at Ballot. Stop approaching, coming up on Boone Hall. After we've serviced the stop here at the Blue Line Canopy, we want to get over to the left lane. We're going to make our transition to cross from Cross Street. Going to get all the way over. We're going to wash it off for this brief little moment. And then we're going to veer back off onto Cross Street. Stop approaching at the stop sign. Stop approach. From here, it's a pretty straight shot all the way to Platt before we make our next left turn. Cross is going to turn into Packard at Hewitt. We're going to continue straight. We will be continuing straight for roughly about 6 or 7 minutes. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. On the left side, you have the Ypsilanti Community High School. Stop approaching. Coming up on Hewitt, this is a time point. Passing Hewitt, stop approaching. Please be reminded as you enter into Ann Arbor to follow all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. Stop approaching. Whenever you see a pedestrian inside of a marked crosswalk, you must yield the right of way. Stop approaching. At stoplight, Gulf side, I'm going to continue through. Across the Gulf side, stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Coming up on Carpenter Road at the light. And continue through. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Couple of lights and we'll be at Platt Road. It is at Platt Road where we will make our left turn. Stop approaching. Passing Fernwood, stop is approaching. There's one more stop just before you get to Platt Road. You want to get over to your left side. It stops approaching. Get over to your left lane. You want to make your left turn at Platt. Immediately after the turn, there is a stop with a cutout. Here at Platt and Packard, this is the time point. Making our left at Platt. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Continuing southbound on Platt. We're going to stay on Platt until we reach Ellsworth, and we're going to make a right turn. Stop is approaching. On the left side is the Colonial Square Cooperative. Very popular destination. Drop off and pick up. Stop is approaching. At the traffic light is Ellsworth. We will be making a right turn. Stop approaching. For a brief time, you will share this piece of Ellsworth with the number 6. Coming up on Brayburn at the light. This is a time point. Stops just ahead, the Blue Line bus shelter. Forest Hill Cooperative to the right. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Cut out. One last turn before we make our right turn at the stoplight. Stoplight is Stone School. Note stop approaching. We're gonna make a right turn at Stone School. Heading northbound on stone screw. Stop is approaching. Blue shelter recessed to the right. Stop is approaching. Blue stripe shelter recessed to the right. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're coming up to the this is the conclusion of the inbound 5A from the YTC Ypsilanti Transit Center to Stone School and Eisenhower. Please see the inbound 5A, B, C, and D video for the conclusion of the route to the BTC.